Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how to perform Tally Practical 2. So before you start with this video session, it is recommended that you already have completed the Tally Practical 1. So now let us start with the Tally Practical. So I will open this folder and we will open practical number 2. If you don't have this practical PDF files, you can download them from the link given below. Now let us open our Tally application from the desktop shortcut. So now once we open Tally, we will go to work in education mode. The shortcut is Alt W. And then you can see that our company national data is already activated here. So this national data we have created in the previous practical, that is practical number 1. So let me full screen this. Okay. So now we are ready to start with the practical number 2. So here it is mentioned that ensure that Indus Enterprise is activated. So now let us go to Tally ERP 9, but we have national data activated over here, so we have to shut this company, and the shortcut for shutting the company is Alt F1, and we are going to select Indus Enterprises. So now Indus Enterprises activated in Tally. So first step is done. Now we have been given the details as on the 31st March. So this is the trial balance of last year. It means this is the ledger closing balance of last year. So this becomes the opening balance for the current year. So we have to create this multiple ledgers. So we go to accounts info, ledgers, and then multiple create, and then we select all items. So now we can see the 3 columns. We have name of the ledger, under which group, and the opening balance. And the same corresponds here, the name of the ledger, under which group, and the opening balance. So let me just create this for you. The first one is proprietor's capital account, under capital account, and the opening balance is given 25,000. Second, land and building, under fixed assets, and the opening balance is 60,000. Next, Milton and Company, under sundry debtors, and the balance is given 15,000. Now since this is a debtor, when we press enter, it will ask bill-wise details. So since we have not learned what is bill-wise details, we will just press enter twice. So enter. Next is Caltronic Limited. It is a creditor and the balance is given 85,000. Again this is a creditor, so when we press enter, it will ask bill-wise, so we have to press enter twice. Next, local sales, under sales account, and local purchase under purchase account without any opening balance. Next, SBI account under bank account, and the opening balance is 35,000. Next, conveyance under indirect expenses with no opening balance, and then bank interest under indirect income, no opening balance. Now since we have created all the ledgers, we have to accept the screen, so we press enter and then we have to accept the screen. Now if you want to display the ledgers which we just created, let us go to multiple display and select all items. So we can see total 11 ledgers. Out of the 11 ledgers, 2 ledgers were by default present in Tally. They were cash account and profit and loss account, whereas we created the other 9 ledgers. I repeat, by default we have 2 ledgers in Tally, which is cash and profit and loss account, and the other ones we created just now. So let us switch back to PDF file and create the above in multiple ledger creation. Yes, we have created that, and then we accepted the default screen also. Now we have to create this multiple groups. So let us go back to gateway of Tally, escape, we press escape for coming back, gateway of Tally, and then we go to accounts info, groups. Now if you remember what was a group was a head of account of a ledger, and by default we have 28 groups. So let us now go to multiple create and then select all items. So we have North India debtor and South India debtor under sundry debtors. Okay, so we have 2 options of creating this. Either I can say North India debtors under sundry debtors, and then South India debtors under sundry debtors. So this is the one way of creating these groups, and the other way is at the very top where we have selected all items, we have to make this as debtors. Okay, so we'll select debtors. Now once we press enter on North India, it will not ask the second column. Why? Because we already have specified this under sundry debtors. Okay, so any one option you can use. Either you can select all items over here and then select the sundry debtors over here, or you can straight away specify here sundry debtor. It will not ask the second column. So we just press enter and then we have to accept the screen. Now we have to alter Milton and Company ledger account. If you remember, we already created Milton and Company account, ledger account, under sundry debtors. So we have to alter that account because we already created. Now we have to alter the account and we need to put it under the North India debtor which we just created here. So we have to alter the Milton and Company account, remove it from debtors, sundry debtors, and put it under North India debtor. We have to be very specific now. So let us go back to ledgers and then single alter. Why single alter? Because we have to alter only one ledger. So let us go to single alter and select Milton and Company, and then we have to change this from sundry debtor to North India debtor, and then remaining thing will remain as it is, and then we have to press enter and then accept. Finally we have to accept this screen, and then we press escape and go back to gateway of Tally. And with this we finish our practical 2, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.